Okay, and here we are. As you can see, somebody has tried to do some work on it and didn't quite finish things out. But I want to make it run and drive. And a lot of heat is coming through this. Same is true for the back. Over rust, POR 15 stuff, kind of helps slow things down. So, we've got a nifty box over here, and basically what's inside is going to be all of the kind of heat shielding along with noise thing product. So basically it is kind of an asphalt material. It's got a sticky back on it, and then hopefully the heat doesn't radiate too. Now the shiny part's what's going to face upward. Here's some snapshots of the finished installation as well. Here's the before and after temperature readings, prior to the HushMat and then after adding the HushMat. Basically starting from the front, the temperature decreased significantly in the front foot box, as well as the tunnel, the rear foot box, and also the rear area of the tunnel. Doing some simple math, in all areas, the average temperature reduction was just over 33 degrees, which is going to make a big difference inside the cabin, and also anticipating sound deadening significantly as well. So, it's time to finish installation, get the carpet and all the seats in, and take this pony for a ride.